So I'm going to be demonstrating the scarf wrap technique, which is one of our toweling techniques. So again, before we start, I always like to again use our feel away spray. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes before we actually interact with the patient. I'm going to put the peel away spray elsewhere so it doesn't get knocked over while I'm doing my wrap. But how we start is we're going to lay our towel flat on our tabletop. Remember, it's always helpful to have a non-skid surface, but also just something between the animal and the tabletop, because it's cold. It definitely doesn't feel comfortable, so we want to make the patient as comfortable as possible. So then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our kitty, and we're going to place our kitty right in the center of our towel. So with the scarf wrap, I'm going to keep my arm and or my hand placed behind the neck here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking one end. So I'm going to start by taking the right end of the scarf right here in the corner, and I'm going to wrap it around the animal's neck like so. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of hang on to that with my pinky finger, or my middle finger, and I'm going to kind of transfer my pressure to this hand, to my right hand, instead of my left. Now I'm going to take my left hand, touch the left corner of the towel, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap around the cat's head here. Then what I'm able to do is you're able to have a pretty good grasp of the animal. Bring your arms around and kind of hold your forearms to keep the animal positioned, and you have a fairly nice scarf wrap.